Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this today's video, I am going to show you how to use Claude AI for free and unlimited. Want to use Claude AI for free without limits? Here, how to get the most out of it safely. And the first step is check your internet connection. Make sure your internet is working. If your internet is not working, that might be a problem for the app. Turn your Wi-Fi off for a few seconds, then on again, or use mobile data. If that is not working, turn on your airplane mode for a few seconds, then off again. And the other step is use the official free plan. Go to the Claude app or official website and sign up for free accounts, which usually allow to limited number twice per month. And the on step is space out of your request. If you hit the limit, wait for your quota and quota to reset. Specific out request lead lets you maximize your free usually daily. And on the step use multiple accounts. Create additional account with different emails to extend free users. Make sure your follow terms of service to avoid bans. And the on step is check free promotion. Cloudy sometimes offers extra and free uses for new user or special events. Keep on your eye on your official announcement. And that's how you use to Cloudy AI for free with maximum query. And thank you for watching this video. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more airport tutorial. Thank you.